Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner. How you doing, guys? So, in today's episode I will just explain you that OLED TV came to us, LG 65-inch. It has 6 years. And somebody would say, why the 65-inch OLED can restart? With Sony's, you can have a processor issue. And that's a common thing. Sometimes you can have other issue, but usually restarting is not caused by the storage. So, freezing more but not restarting. So I wouldn't blame the storage, but I would blame the processor. Okay. So I didn't have time and I said to the customer, look, if you want us to look at it thoroughly, like properly, then you need to just bring it, in a few days time, because we're just too busy at the moment and I don't have my full staff. That's why there's not many videos as well on this YouTube channel throughout this period. So my technician took it on that table, that table is there, here, like that would be really important for use. And opened it and checked, because I've checked all the voltages and it was fine, but I said, look, I won't tell you, just do what you want, yes? So he looked at the power supply and you could see that one diode was cracked, just cracked. It wasn't anything else but cracked. So good that I didn't tell him what I thought it could be, good that he looked at it himself, because although all the voltages on the power supply were fine, the power supply was still faulty. And the diode was, I think, RL560G or something. I know, because I meant to order it and I didn't order it. I've used from another power supply. So, oh, can't click. Okay, now I've got it. So it's RL255G. That's the diode, which just cracked. Now the question is, why the diode cracked? And that didn't short, you didn't have short, and all the output voltages were present. So, that's weird. So what I think have happened was that the problem is caused by overheating. I would say that this TV is heating too much, and I would say that's done in purpose. I can't prove it, but I would say that's done in purpose, because if the TVs are overheating, those processors, those diodes and capacitors, everything is wearing off quicker. When it's wearing off quicker, you will buy your next TV quicker. Now, if I would go with my knowledge that that could be processor, imagine yourself buying new motherboard for like £188 excluding VAT plus shipping, plus wait 3 to 4 weeks. This is coming, yes, brand new from my supplier, and then it's still the same issue, yes? So that would be a bit of a problem for the customer, and that TV was £1,800 6 years ago. So I would say, what is the value for the customer if now I've got a motherboard which I can't replace and there is an issue with the power supply? So better watch out what you're doing, because you can make a huge cost for the customer, and there is only one tiny diode which causing that problem. I would say that if you would want to fix it permanently, you would have to check now capacitance of all the capacitors, because if that's overheating, they are down with the performance, yes? And as well, install fans across the 3 boards, like motherboard, power supply, and sort of a T-con board, you can call it. I don't know if that's the proper even name for the board which goes from the motherboard, it has connection to it, and from the power supply has extra connections to it, and that goes to the display. I don't know if I can call it T-con. If somebody knows the proper name for it, if I can call it T-con or otherwise, please comment down below. but that's what I wanted to share with you, and hopefully you've got some value in it. Again, there will be I will try to do some videos, but there might not be many videos because I'm planning as well holiday next month, like in February. So, you know, as we're too busy and I don't have all the stuff, it's no point to, you know, to stress out about the videos. Yes, so I will continue when I'm back from the holiday. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. If you don't mind, please leave us a like. Bye bye.